Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use templates in LibreOffice in 2026. If you want to quickly create professional documents, spreadsheets, or presentations without starting from scratch, templates are the easiest way to do it. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. From the Start screen, you'll see different applications like Writer, Calc, and Impress. Next, click on File and then select Templates, or choose Template Manager depending on your version of LibreOffice. Now browse through the available template categories. You'll find templates for business letters, resumes, reports, invoices, presentations, and more. Once you find a template you like, click on it to select it, then press Open or Create to start a new document using that template. After the template opens, you can start editing it immediately. Replace placeholder text with your own content and customize the layout as needed. Next, you can change fonts, colors, and images to match your personal or professional style while keeping the template structure intact. If you want to save your customized version, click File and then Save As, and choose a new file name so the original template stays unchanged. You can also download additional templates online if you need more designs. Just import them into LibreOffice Template Manager for future use. Finally, use templates regularly to save time and maintain a consistent professional look across all your documents. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use templates in LibreOffice to create documents faster and more efficiently. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.